Question 5. This equation, where k is a constant, has two real and equal roots. So if we have real and equal roots, that means b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay. So from here, they ask us to find the values of k. Right. So first we have to rearrange this equation. So we bring the 5 over here, becomes negative 5. Then we figure out what's our a, b and c. So a is always the coefficient of x squared, which is k. B will be the coefficient of x, which is negative 10. And c will be the constants with no x. So 6k minus 5. Right. Now we can put it back into the equation. So b square minus 4ac must equal to 0. So negative 10 square minus 4ac equal to 0. So 10 square is 100. We times this times that. So we get negative 4k times 6k is negative 24k. Then negative 4k times negative 5 will be plus 20k. This one actually got k square, I forgot. So 4k times 6k is 24k squared. Right. So we rearrange this. We don't want the k square to be negative lah. So what we do is everything we bring over the other side. So this will be 24k square minus 20k minus 100 equals 0. Then we try to factorize this, but before that we need to simplify this. So 24, 20 and 100, all this can be divided by something. Okay, I'll show you how to find out. Okay, we can try doing 24 and 100. So what you do is you put 24 and 100 as fractions. So your calculator will help you simplify to the simplest form. So 24 over 100 becomes 6 over 25. That means they have divided this by 4. And then we check with the 20. Memang all these numbers can divide by 4. So we get 6k square minus 5k minus 25 equals to 0. Then we factorize lah. Okay. I make this all smaller a bit. Okay. So here we can use the calculator to factorize 6, negative 5 and negative 25. So our k is negative 5 over 3 and k equals to 5 over 2. So you need to put this in the bracket to get the marks for your working. So this will be 3k plus 5 and this will be 2k minus 5. And these will be the values of k lah. Done. So I write it here, k can be negative 5 over 3 or 5 over 2. Next, let's look at b. They said, hence, find the roots of the equation by using the smallest value of k obtained in A. So from these two, the smallest value will obviously be the negative. Negative is smaller than positive lah. So let's take negative 5 over 3 and solve this. Okay. So our equation is this. Okay. Kx squared, right? K is negative 5 over 3 and then 6k times negative 5. So we're going to replace this with negative 5 over 3. So our equation will be negative 5 over 3x squared minus 10x, and the last part c we can put it in our calculator. So c times negative 5 over 3 minus 5. We get negative 15. Okay. Then we need to find the roots. So to make our life easier, we try to get rid of the denominator lah. So the whole thing we times 3 first. So get negative 5x squared. Or you know what? We can actually times negative 3 so that our a is positive. So we'll get 5x squared plus 30x plus 45 equal to 0. And then this whole thing can be divided by 5. Okay, this one is just to simplify. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals to 0. Now we can factorize. So you just use your calculator. A is 1, B is 6, C is 9. So x is negative 3 and x is also negative 3. Okay, so if we put it into the bracket, we'll get x plus 3, x plus 3. So our roots are negative 3 and negative 3, which is what the question said lah. We get two real and equal roots. So both of our roots will be equal. That means it cuts only at one point here, at negative 3. So our roots will be negative 3 lah. Done.